Hi everyone, I'm back with the January challenge, and I'm working on prompt 3, which is outline. So what I have done is I have primed these pages for my artwork already, and I'm going to apply two pastel colors of blue and green onto the page with the help of a sponge. I will keep applying the layers until and unless I'm satisfactory with the application. At this stage I felt that the green is overpowering the blue color, so I added a few more sections of blue and kept on building the layer. Alright, the theme is going very pastel, so I'm going to follow this trend and I'm introducing a new color which is called Naples Yellow. I will be using this color for stenciling and adding texture. Okay, everything is dried. Now I will use the Signo white gel pen to make outlines on top of the stencil texture. I'm really happy with the application, how the yellow is integrating with the blue and green. So now it's time to add little more texture to it. Okay, so I'm happy with how this turned out, and it's time to add some writing on the page. Really happy with how the page is unfolding so far. I am using Craft script stamp along with a jet black archival ink to make the impressions on the page, and as you can see, this is a very old and well loved stamp in my stash. So let's get started. Now that the stamping is done, I'm going to add a combination of white and black splatters on the page, so to build up some characteristic onto the page. Now that everything is on the page is dry, it's time to add the focal point. This beautiful flower face lady is a digital collection from Outhouse Whimsy's Etsy page, and this is what I have decided to use today in my junk journal challenge. So let's start working on the final touch to the page. As the junk journals prompt today is outline, so I have done outlining twice. I have once done it for the stencils texture, which is there on the background, and I'm also outlining the focal element with a black Fudensoke pen. And here's the close-up. Very happy with how this page turned out, how all the colors are blending so well with each other, the splatters, the outlining of the stencil texture. So I hope you like this page. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, share with friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.